Double creamy masala chicken curry recipe. Dry roast the ingredients like fennel seeds, bay leaf, cashew nuts, dried coconut kernels, cumin seeds, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, cardamom. Similarly, the red chilies should also be thoroughly roasted. After that, transfer them all into a blender jar and grind it into a fine powder. Now add the thinly sliced tomatoes, onions, green chilies and sorted them briefly. Now after letting this cool down for a while, we need to grind it in the mixer along with the powder we prepared earlier. Now, add about 4 spoonfuls of curd to it and blend it again. Now boil the chicken. Now, take a pan, add a little oil, along with some chopped onions, green chilies, salt and turmeric powder. Then add the chicken that was boiled earlier and cook it until it turns into a reddish brown color, and then add some ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, salt to taste, and coriander powder. Mix everything thoroughly and set it aside. Now, take another bowl, add a little oil and add the blended masala paste that we had prepared earlier. Next, add some water and cook it thoroughly. Be sure to add just enough water to achieve the desired consistency. After about 5 minutes, on the fried chicken which you had previously set aside and continue cooking for a little while longer. At this point, your delicious chicken curry will be ready to serve. The double creamy masala chicken curry is ready. It's taste absolutely delicious when mixed with piping hot rice. You can also enjoy it with rotis, parathas or really, with whatever you prefer, as it is incredibly tasty and has a wonderfully creamy texture and spicy. Do try this mouth-watering recipe at home. Also, please subscribe to Lavanya's Home Food channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye, see you all in next video, and do check out more videos like this available on our channel. Thank you.